Okay everybody, I'm here taking a break. This is Deb Lytle. I recommended this product to you yesterday, and if you haven't watched the video, I just wanted to show you this little screenshot of the comparison between GoProCloud, Google Drive, Dropbox, and iCloud. As you can see, GoProCloud has a lot to offer compared to these other services, and let me just scroll down a minute on this special offer, which you'll find my link below this video. If you were interested in buying this, let me tell you, there's a $3 coupon. You get the basic service for $14. It's a one-time fee. You only pay it once. You can upgrade to unlimited for $67, so you'll have a total of $71 for lifetime access to unlimited storage and backup of all your files. Now you got to take a look at this comparison chart, and you can't tell me that it isn't beating everything out there, because I have Dropbox and I pay $120 a year, so I might actually switch to this myself because it seems like it's going to be a really great program, and for that kind of price you can't really go wrong. I mean, a lot of these services are anywhere from $9 to $12 or $15 a month. So let's take a look at this chart. Unlimited number of files, unlimited previews, link sharing, file encryption, which you cannot get with Google Drive or Dropbox. Then let's go down a little further. Send via email. You can take your files and send them to someone right by email. You cannot get this service with Google Drive, Dropbox, or iCloud. Same thing with the auto storage expansion here. You can have that service, and none of these others offer that. You have a password for your files and folders, and now look at this. Enable a link expiration timer to secure your files. So let's say you're sending a business file to somebody and you want to give them 24 hours to look at it. Well, you can set a timer, and in 24 hours they can no longer access that. That's going to save you all that security, and look, the other three services don't even offer that. Now let's go down here to uploading multiple files simultaneously. They all do that. Now look at this pricing. This is one time per month pricing, $17 for one time. These are $9 to $12 a month. And the $17 you can actually get for $14, because he's going to give you a $3 coupon if you get this service during this launch, which is going to last until the 24th. So you have 2 days to make your decision. And right here, pricing for a year, one time, $17, which again is $14 with the coupon. Then if you get the upgrade to the unlimited and a lot of extra services, it's like $67. And there's one more upgrade after that, and that still makes it worth it. I believe the whole thing would be less than $150. One-time, lifetime purchase. Look at the cost of these other services. When you get into all of this for 10 years, that means $120 a year, $172 a year, $120 a year, and you get all these extra services that these ones don't offer. So what are you waiting for? I'm going to get this for myself. I have 2 terabytes in Dropbox, cost me $120 every year, which would be this column right here. So why wouldn't I switch? One-time fee for less than 1 year of Dropbox, and I can do everything unlimited forever. So go there and get my link down below this video, and go and get your program for yourself. Get this platform, store all of your files and your photos, videos, audio files, documents. Really, really good price. I can't stress enough. You got 2 more days to do it by the 24th, so get in there and take advantage of this great new program. All right, see you later on the next video.